Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you what I have learned today. And today I learned some basic concept of how C works, how the C language works. So the first thing I learned is that the computer, as it appears to be very intelligent, nowadays to the regular people, it can do a lot of things, amazing stuff. You can use it to edit a video, to do a 3D modeling, to create a song or any other like amazing stuff. But fundamentally, the computer is very dumb. It's only do exactly what you tells him to do, and being very specific. So the first thing we know, the computer is very dumb. The second thing, we often hears the term algorithm. Algorithm. So what is the algorithm? It appears very complicated, but actually it's not. It just says the steps, a group of the steps of the instructions that to accomplish a certain task. For example, like driving a car. So how to start the car? So if we break it down to the steps, it's gonna look something like this. So first we need to first step, we need to walk to the car. Second, if we want to be very specific, we need to use our hand to reach to the door handle. The third is gonna be to pull, open the door. Next, we need to get into the car. The step 5, you're gonna take a sit down. And 6, take out. No, nowadays, like with a lot of the cars, you don't have to insert your key into the car in order to start it. What you can do, you can press the start engine button. Press the button. So we could call this the series of the steps that for us to get into the car, an algorithm, some kind of the algorithm. So it's very simple like this. So yeah. Another concept that I learned is the function. So what is the function? Function is so what function does, if we take a look at this algorithm, to start the car, to start one car, we need 6 steps for the sake of this example. And what the function does, the function can group the steps of the code that we write here and into one statement. So in the future, if we want to start the engine, all we need to do just call this function. So we could something group all this one called start engine, start car. We could call this one function. So this is a function. So the next time if we want to start the car in the program, what we can do, of course I'm not going to write the actual code in C to demonstrate, but I'm going to do just use English. So the what something looks like this, what we can do is first start car. We can put a underscore here. Start car. Normally the function with the always have the parentheses. Sometimes it takes the argument, some other argument. We don't have to worry about it right now. So this is a function. So next time, if we want to start a car, we don't have to have all the 6 steps. All we need to do just write one statement. Start the car. This is function. Whenever we are calling, whenever we are using this function in programming world, we can say we are calling this function. The reason we have the function is like the computer not only it's very dumb, but also it tend not to remember things. When we have the function, we kind of like teach the program or the computer how to do a certain things or how to perform a certain task. So next time when we need the computer to do that task or to do a certain thing, we don't have to rewrite the whole we don't have to rewrite all the steps from the start. We don't have to rewrite all the steps of the code from the scratch. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you. If you like my video, please hit the like button. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.